So rise with courage, embrace your potential, shine bright, never let anyone dim your light. You are strong, you are capable, you are unstoppable. There is a famous quote, we realize the importance of our voices only when we are silent. This reminds us that our voices, our dreams, and our actions have power to change the world. Life is not always easy. There will be obstacles, challenges, and moments when you doubt yourself. But remember, the true strength is about courage, determination, and perseverance. Women are the counterparts of men. The girl has same value, dignity, and potential as boys. There is nothing that limits girls' ability to learn, to grow, to achieve. Education and knowledge are key to unlocking their potential. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "طلب العلم فريضة على كل مسلم ومسلمة." Seeking knowledge is obligatory upon every Muslim, male and female. This teaches us that every girl has a right and responsibility to learn, to grow, to achieve her dreams. Knowledge gives us power, confidence, and tools to shape our future. Girls, dreams have no gender. Whether you aspire to be a scientist, a teacher, an artist, or a leader, your potential is limitless. Don't let fear, doubts, and stereotypes hold you back. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Khairun nas yanfa'uhum linnas." The best of people, those who are most beneficial to others. Use your knowledge, your strength, your potential, not only to achieve your own dreams, but also to inspire and support to others along the way. So rise with courage, embrace your potential, shine bright, never let anyone dim your light. You are strong, you are capable, you are unstoppable. Let your dreams soar, your ambitions guide you, and your courage lead the way. The world is waiting for your brilliance, that is you can only bring. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.